Hello guys, welcome to Pepcoding, and today we're going to solve this question, n queen combination 2D as 1D. So before coming to this question, there was a question which is a complete prerequisite for this question. So there's this question which is queen combination 2D, queen combination 2D as 1D. Right. So first of all, complete this question, queen combination 2D as 1D, and after that, come to this question, n queen combination 2D as 1D. Because there are a lot of concepts which are similar, which are almost similar in both of the questions, and I will gonna teach you in this question what is the difference, only the concept which is different. The same concept I won't teach you again. Okay, so the difference is in that question we have given an n cross n chessboard. In this question we have given an n cross n chessboard. This is same. The second thing is you are required to calculate and print the combination with let me increase its font. Print the combinations in which n queen can be placed on the n cross n chessboards. Same thing we have to do in that question, right? The third thing is no queen shall be able to kill other. So this is the different thing. We are not allowed any queen to kill other. This is the only difference. So let's get to our open board and I will tell you basic what the question is asking from us. So right now we have given an n cross n chessboard, which is something like this. So let me give it row and column number, which is 0. Let me change my color. 0, 1, 2, 3, and again 0, 1, 2, 3. Right? 4 rows and 4 column. 4 cross 4. So in previous question we have to do what? We have to place 4 queens in this chessboard, and we don't have any condition. We don't have any no condition for kill. Like there was no condition to kill. That was the concept in that question. But now we have to do what? We have to pick. We have to only pick the combinations in which no queen can kill each other. Okay, this is the only difference. Now let me tell you one more thing, that right now, if you remember in our last question we have also discussed about this 1D thing. So why we don't use 2D the way 2D, because 2D is kind of complex, so we converted in 1D and we use our loop as a 1D. This was the thing which we did in the last question, right? Like what we did was we mapped them with cell number. So it is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And what we need to do was, there was formula which I already told you. So row number is equal to cell number by 4. First thing. Second thing is column number is equal to cell number modulus 4. And third thing is cell number is equal to row number multiplied by 4 plus column. Like these were the concept which we have already discussed. Now let's move on to our concept which is different. So the different thing was no queen shall kill each other, or I'll say just other. No queen shall kill other. This is only the different thing in this time. So let me show you what I wanted to, what the question is asking, right? Let me remove this cell number for a minute now. So what we need to do was, what I just, so think about it. If I place a queen here, let me change my color. If I place my queen in this block, and in the previous question I am allowed to place any other queen in any other block. I was allowed to place my queen in any other block, but in this question I am not, because if I place another queen here, this queen can kill this queen. If I place my another queen here, this queen can also kill this queen. If I place here, this will be killed. If I place here, this will be killed. If I place here, this will be killed. So these areas, I cannot place my queen in these areas now, because I have already placed this queen here. So the blocks left are this, this, and this. Right. So this is the main concept. Let me show you in a bigger picture. Think about it as this is our matrix, right? This is our matrix, and I need to do what? I need to place my queen. So think about it. If I place my queen here, so the thing is, I cannot place my queen in this diagonal. I cannot place my queen in this diagonal. I cannot place my queen in this vertical. I cannot place my queen here horizontally. I cannot place my queen in this diagonal also, and in this diagonal also. Right? Because any other queen, if placed in these blocks, it will be killed. Very simple thing, but here comes the hack. What is our approach? What will be our approach? So our approach is simple. I will start from any place. Like, think about it. If I have to place my queen, if I place my first queen here, right? And if I want to place my second queen, what I need to do is, let's say if I wanted to place my second queen, so I go from here. Can I place my queen here? No, she will be killed. Can I place my queen here? No. Can I place 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 here? Yes, you can. So if you understand this concept, you can see a pattern here, that I have to only check the upper blocks condition for upper block. I don't need to check condition for the lower blocks, right? So it's very simple now. That what I have to do is, if I want to place my queen here, I just need to check. I need to check that, is this a valid place? Is this a valid place? Is this a valid place? And is this a valid place? I just need to check these directions. Because, and the second thing is, if I need to place another queen here, then I again need to check the places, but only in the above direction. Like, if this is a valid place, if this is a valid place, if this is a valid place, and if this is a valid place, I need to check only in above direction. So this is the code we will gonna do. It's very simple. So let's get to the code now. Okay, so this is the code. So one thing is, we have already done this in 1D, right? So I don't need to explain you a lot here. This is the way of doing in 1D. I just convert my row and column into cell number, and I make a loop in cell number. Then again I convert my row and column, cell number to row number and column number, and then I make the calls. Simple. Now let's just go to our isQueenSafe function. This is the function I need to complete right now. Okay. First of all, let's check for vertical direction. That is it safe for vertical? Vertical. Right. How we will gonna do it? Let's make a for loop. Int I is equal to row, comma, j is equal to column. So first of all, I need to know the row and column, so that I can make a loop, right? Then I is greater than equals to 0, and I minus. Why minus? Because we need to travel through upper direction. We need to check in upper direction. That's why minus. After that, it's simple. Like, if chess of ij is equal to true, at that time do what? Return false. And chess of I and j. Like, similarly, we have to do for horizontal. Similarly for diagonal, and then similarly for anti-diagonal. Simple. Now let's start doing it. First of all, let me copy and paste all this code in below 3, because we just need to change a little bit in all of them. We don't need to change a lot. And if there is false nowhere, I need to do what? Okay, false. If there is no false anywhere, then that means it's true place. This place is safe. So we just need to return true from here. Now let's start doing it. So I is our row number, j is our column number, right? Here we just need to check for j, and here I just need to make j minus. Very simple. Then for diagonal, I need to do what? I need to check if I is greater than equals to 0 and j is also greater than equals to 0. And one more thing, that I minus minus and j minus minus. Simple. This is also done. Now comes the anti-diagonal part. In this part, we need to do what? I is equal to 0, j is equal to column, I is greater than equals to 0, and j is smaller than chest dot size. Why? I will show you. I minus minus and j plus plus. Right. This is almost done. So let me show you why I did. Let me show you this diagonal and anti-diagonal just. So when I am here, in this diagonal part, I is decreasing and j is decreasing. Both are decreasing. And I have to check where it will get 0. Where both will get 0. This is our checking place. But in this diagonal, I is decreasing, right? But j is also increasing. J plus plus. That's why I did j plus plus. And same I have to do, that I is greater than equals to 0 and j won't go near after this row. Right? So I check for chest dot size. Simple. Now let's try to run this code. If there is any compilation error, we'll resolve it, or else we will just submit our code. Okay, let's try to submit it. Okay guys, so if you understand this concept, if you understand it, if you like the video, if you like my explanation, please like the video. If you have any queries left regarding this question, please comment it out, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much guys.